Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking you to have a look around two more beaches in West Cornwall near Hayle, PorthKidney and Gwithian. Up first we headed over to PorthKidney Beach. PorthKidney stretches from the mouth of the River Hayle in Lelant to Hawke's Point near Carbis Bay. Its neighbouring beaches are Carbis Bay Beach and Gwithian Beach. This secluded beach is only about a mile long, but at low tide the beach becomes very wide. There are many caves and sand dunes to explore. PorthKidney has no lifeguard cover, so swimming is not advisable, particularly near the river mouth as the tides can really swell here. There are many areas you can enter the beach. We entered over the rock pools by Hayle Estuary, but you can also walk along the coastal path from Lelant or Carbis Bay. PorthKidney is also dog friendly all year round. Let's have a look around. Up next we headed over to Gwithian, just across the water from PorthKidney. Now I call this Gwithian Beach, but this beach is actually made up of several small beaches that all seemingly have different names and they merge all into one. You may hear of this called Gwithian Beach, Godrevy Beach at one end, Hayle Towans towards the other end. I've also heard it called Mexico Towans or Gwithian Beach or Gwithian Towans. At the Godrevy end, you can even walk up the Headland, spot seals and see a lighthouse. We have a separate vlog of us exploring this Godrevy area, which I will link in the description. At the other end of this vast beach, you will find the Hayle Estuary and harbour with the river mouth and views out over to St Ives and PorthKidney Beach that we looked at earlier. The rest of the beach is glorious soft golden sand. It's vast and it's wide with rock pools, towering rock formations, caves and tons of large hidden pools to explore. Gwithian is very popular with families due to the array of rock pools and flat golden sand, but also popular with surfing and kite surfing due to its cross-shore winds. Dogs are also welcome here all year round, and you can access the Towans from the car park on the cliff with man-made steps down to the beach, or you can also access it further towards Hayle via the Towans and sand dunes. As always, I will leave all the information about accessibility, parking, postcodes and more in the description below. Please do remember to like and subscribe as it helps our little channel get seen. But for now, let's go look around.